this is your girl Janae Michelle from This Curvy Girl's Life, and we are back with another video. Hey, what's up you guys? I'm so excited to have you guys back, and for those that are new to my channel, I'm your girl Janae, This Curvy Girl. So today we are actually going to be unboxing. Yes, I said unboxing. Ooh. I am going to be unboxing the July IPSY Glam box. So for those that are not aware, IPSY has two different subscription services. They have one that will give you trial size products, and it comes in like a really cute little makeup bag every month. And then they recently added the Glam box, which is 5 full-size products that are curated as well, based upon a quiz that you take on the website, and then based upon the answers that you give on that quiz, they send you different things such as makeup, skincare, nail polish, I mean the range, makeup brushes. The range is ridiculous and really awesome. So I figured I will unbox this with you guys. Of course I did open it, I did take a peek, I'm not going to lie, but for the most part I really did not test the products or anything like that. So I'm going to bring them out one by one and show you what I got in my IPSY box. So if you want to see what I got, then keep on watching. Alright, so when you get your IPSY box, it basically comes in this pink box. You can see here it says the Glam box, the Glam bag plus, and it has a little quote. It says, "Don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you," which is really cute. It also comes with this kind of foam cushion just to make sure everything comes to you not broken. And then when you open up the box, it normally has your products. It comes with all of your products, and then it also comes with a card that tells you what you got in your IPSY bag. It even gives you the retail value of that item as well. So let's hop in right now. So I am going to go by the way they have it in our little booklet. So the first thing I got was, this is the IPSY by Petra Glow Mist. This has a value of $15. This actually contains 13 essential oils like rose flower and lavender. It also has aloe vera, fruit extracts to set your makeup, hydrate, protect, and give your skin a gorgeous dewy finish. So we have the IPSY Skin Treats Glow Mist, and like I mentioned, we are trying everything together. And since I have on a little bit of makeup, I figure, you know, let's test it out. I can tell you guys how it smells and all that good stuff. So let's get it going. So I just misted it. I like the mist, so let's see. I love the mist, okay? And it smells so good. You can definitely smell the lavender. You can definitely smell the lavender and the rose flower. That's really cool. So looking forward to trying this out some more. So next up we have the, what is this called? Gold Faden MD Bright Eyes with a value of $55. It says this eye cream gets straight to the root of your under eye issues because there is only so much concealer can hide. Formulated with rice bran extract, soy peptide, organic red tea, and arnica. It hydrates and helps reduce the appearance of dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. Plus, it absorbs super fast so you can apply your makeup ASAP. So this is a really nice product. I mean, it sounds like it'll do quite a bit. It also says it's the first dermatologist developed natural skincare brand. So when you bring it out, you actually get 0.5 fluid ounces. Do a little pump on my hand just so I can feel what it feels like. And now I'm kind of mad that I have on makeup because I kind of want to try it, but I just want to at least see, because it does say that it dries down. super fast. So you can kind of see how it has a little bit of a sheen right now. It definitely has a citrusy scent to it. But what I can say is I can actually see it absorbing into my skin really quickly. And I don't know if you can really see that on the camera, but it's absorbing pretty fast into my skin, but it's leaving it feeling very nice, which I like. It doesn't feel tacky, it's drying down quickly, and it smells amazing. So this is the Bright Eyes by Gold Faden MD, and it says it has, what does it say, Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. So not bad. Looking forward to adding that to my skincare routine. So next up we have the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette in Bronze Sands. This has a value of $45, and this says we're head over heels for anything that this beauty influencer turned makeup maven creates, with a mix of 1 creamy and 3 pressed powder pearlescent highlighters. This palette has everything you need to customize your glow. So it actually has, and I'm going to open it up so you guys can see it, but you get 4 really nice colors, and with each color they kind of tell you what to do with it. So the first one says prep, and it tells you how to apply Barbados. The second one says set, and tells you how to apply Maldives. Your last one is, or your third one is sculpt, which is called Aruba. And then you have number 4, which is flush, and that one is Bora Bora. So I am definitely looking forward to this, because you know, a sister, especially during the summer, I like to glow. So next up is the Benefit Cosmetics Go-Go Tint Cheek and Lip Stain. This has a value of $30, and this one says San Francisco based Benefit Cosmetics is beloved for their creative and innovative products. A little thicker and creamier in texture than the cult favorite Benny Tint, this bright cherry red lip and cheek stain goes on sheer but can build up to a bold pop of color. So I've never actually used a liquid like cheek or lip stain before, so I'm looking forward to actually trying this out. I will just do a little bit on my hand. If I can show you this, it actually looks like nail polish. Like you can see there how it kind of just has like almost like a nail polish brush. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my hand, and feel like I want you guys to be able to see it. So you can kind of see that's really bright right there. So I am going to kind of dab it out and see. You can see how that really is drying down, but I can see how it gives you that little, see how it gives you that little flush of red, and then you can build that up from there. So I am definitely looking forward to trying that. Yes, I am looking forward to trying that. So very excited about that. So our next product that we are about to look at is actually by Thrive Cosmetics, not cosmetics, but cause, because they are all about giving back to the community. And so on their website it says for every product purchase we donate to help homeless women thrive. They also help women who have been abused thrive through domestic violence. They also help women who are cancer survivors to thrive. So as you can see, they also help animals thrive. As you can tell, the Thrive brand sounds absolutely amazing, and so I was really excited to be able to try this mascara out because I heard some really good things about it. And so let's hop into it. So I have the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara in Brynn, B-R-Y-N-N. The value for this is $24, and it says with a single swipe of this volumizing lengthening mascara, will even help make sparse lashes look like extensions. It comes with an innovative comb shaped wand that adds definition, separates the lashes, and it helps prevent clumping, while the formula is infused with orchid stem cell complex to stimulate lash growth and soft fibers for dramatic length and lift. So we get the full size of this, and it's a pretty large size, as you guys can see here. So I am very, very excited to try this out because I've heard a lot of good things about the company, and so I'm really just excited to try it out and hopefully support in other areas as well by you know, purchasing other items and even seeing maybe how they're helping women outside of just the donating some of the profits from their sales. I do love companies that give back to women, that encourage women, inspire them, and help them to thrive. So I get the concept completely, and I'm really excited to be able to try this out. So the Thrive Mascara, I'm really excited to try you. Alright, so those are actually all of the products that would normally come in the Glam box. But last month I actually saw they'll send an email and ask if you want to do an add-on. And so when I kind of scrolled through my email and I saw this product, it was something that I've been wanting to try, especially throughout the summer, because I heard it's a little bit more of a lightweight moisturizer. So I decided to pick up the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. So it comes in this little package. This moisturizer I did do as an add-on, and this cost me $12 to try this size. So I was reading this while it was in the little pack, and so one of the things I love about this is it tells you how to use this for different types of skin. So if you have oily to combination skin, it says smooth a pea-sized amount onto the skin after serum morning and night. Gently pat until fully absorbed. Can also be mixed with foundation to add a subtle radiance. And then for dry skin, it says apply a pea-sized amount on clean toned skin in place of serum morning and night. Layer a richer cream on top to seal in that glow boosting benefit. So one of the things that it does say, it says this watermelon pink juice moisturizer is lightweight, oil-free formula with hyaluronic acid and vitamin-rich watermelon that gives skin a lasting watery glow. And then let's see what it smells like. See if it really gives us those watermelon vibes. So first off, I just pumped a little bit on my hand. It is super lightweight, like it's really lightweight. So I'm interested to see how this dries down. It reminds me of either a watermelon Jolly Rancher or a watermelon Now Later. It smells so good. But what I can say is, even if you don't like strong scents, it's already dissipating. Like I have to put my nose closer now in order to really smell it. But my skin right here on my hand, y'all, it feels so smooth and so soft. I'm very, very happy for this purchase. So once again, this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. Thank you guys so much for checking out my channel. Please be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and while you there, hit that bell so that you can be notified whenever I put up another dope video. I love you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel, and until the next one, deuces.